Hey guys, today we are going to see some new cubes like with MagLev technology. Yeah, the new magnetic levitation technology. Let's get into the video, guys. Okay guys, the first cube is magnetic levitation. MagLev technology is RS3 2021. Yeah, I like to call it as RS3 2021, but it has the same pieces like 2020, but this cube will cost more, I think, but it turns great because with the use of MagLev technology, the classical spring was replaced by two magnets. Stay tuned for more updates, guys. Yeah guys, this cube will have the classical dual adjustment system with MagLev. Okay guys, let's get into the next cube. Yeah guys, the next cube is GAN 12M Pro. Yeah guys, this is very excited cube, I know, because this is from GAN cube. Already the 11M Pro was the most expensive and the greatest cube in the cubing history, but this cube will have magnet adjustment system and MagLev technology, which helps you to customize a lot more, I think. What they have done with the classical gears, I don't know, but this cube will be very expensive, I think, because already GAN cubes are expensive. This have new technology also, so this will cost much more, I think. The cube will have some flagship cubes like Duo, something like that. I think it will be cost some low. Already Ruihang had some salts in the 12M Pro. I think this cube turns fast in his hands. In his high TPS, it turns very fast and controllable, I think, because of something like corner adjustment magnets, updates in the magnetic systems. Like, I think GAN will make some new things in their cubes. They are very innovative, I think. The cube community was very excited about this cube. GAN releasing cubes very easily, but they are very revolutionary cubes, I think. Okay guys, that's all for this video. Okay guys, stay tuned for more updates. Okay, please subscribe my channel.